Hey, this is Hector Hernandez, and I graduated from the Recording Connection about 5 months ago. And it's a great program. I would recommend doing it. It's about a 6 month program, and by far you learn so much in the 6 months that you're in school for. 6 months doesn't sound like a lot, but trust me, it goes by quick. So take in as much information as you can. My mentor's name was Donnie Baker, and he was a great mentor to be around. Learned a lot of stuff from him. Got to meet a lot of cool people from him. And yeah, man, his studio is just amazing. And I just did my first paying gig to mix a song for an engineer called Max Woodward. It was a great experience. Loved the song. Loved working for him. And getting paid after this video, actually. And it's a great feeling. It's great to put my knowledge to work. And yeah, working out of my home studio, it's great. In the garage, you gotta start somewhere, right? I would recommend the Recording Connection.